Hello everyone, this is SIDHANT DIXIT. Today we are going to tell you the accent in French. Okay, how to use accents in a French and what are the accents. So why to use accents in a French? Okay, in every language we can say. So there are 5 types of accents in French. Okay, so what are the accents? C'est de la. Okay, c'est de la, aigu, grave, circumflex. Okay, and one more is therma. So how to use them? So we are going to tell you today how to use them in proper way. Okay, so first of all we start from Sedila. Okay, we start from Sedila, this accent. Okay, this one. Okay, when there is something see, then this one. Okay, so we use it to Sedila. Then the spell, when we speak it, so it is always change. Okay, so how we speak, and it is always used under the C. It is always, this accent is always used under C. It will not be used under any vowel except C. So example C. Okay, garçon, son. It will be the pronunciation of so. Okay, it is pronounced so, like garçon. Okay? Garçon, français, this one. Okay? Français. Okay? Next is l'accent aigu. When this accent, it is in the right side. It is in the right side, and it is always used upon E. It is always used upon E. It is not used on with E, A, sorry, I, okay, U, O. Okay, so it is always used upon E. Okay, so how to pronunciate when we change, we speak? So what, how to speak, how to use B? It will be sound A. It will be pronounced A. The sound of this accent is A. Okay, like baby, okay, baby, okay, okay, so like this. Next, third one is l'accent circumflex, like this. Okay, it is found like this, circumflex. Okay, so it is used upon A, E, I, O, U. How to speak? How we have to speak? Like T, E, T, E. Okay, tête. Okay, tête. Boîte. Okay. Next is l'accent grave. This one. L'accent grave. Okay, l'accent grave. So how to use it? L'accent grave. Okay, so we use this one in accent aigu. We use like we use this accent. Okay, but in grave we use this opposite. Okay, you will use it in opposite way. Okay, so how to use it? It is used upon A, E, I, O, U. And I'll tell you the how the meaning. It is also changed when we use the accents. Okay, so example, très, it will be called A, and grave aigu, it was A, and this one accent when we use, then it is A. Okay, when we use this, then it becomes A. Okay, A. So très or fair, So there is one more word also. So I tell you how does the meaning change with the accent. So there is one more meaning. O, U. It means or. Okay, it means or. Okay, when we use accent like this, okay, so it becomes where. Okay, where. So how, you see, how does it change? Okay, when we are using accent and when we are not using the accent. Okay, so next is tremor. Okay, so how to use tremor? It is used like this. Okay, E, and it is used over the EIU. Okay, tremor. Noel. Okay, me. So how to use it? We use it when there are two vowels are continue. Okay, there are two vowels together. So like OI, then we'll use upon I. Okay, when there is U and I, so we will use upon I, not we will use not use upon U. Okay, so that is wrong. If we are using on first, we will use the second vowel. Okay, from once to first to next. Okay, so there we will use it. So in this video, in this topic, we have learned the accents. Okay, if you have any problem, you can comment. If you have to ask any question, you can comment. If you want something different, so you can comment